Okay, we started by removing the spring. So there's a spring right there, but you're going to start, there's an attachment on the other side that's kind of holding it all in place. Once you've removed that spring, which you need to remove with the door all the way up, so you want one person holding that door up. It's going to get real heavy when it's removed, so just be careful. So once it's at that point, you can go ahead and lower your garage door down. Now you need to remove the bolts. You want to do one panel at a time. Okay, you're going to start on your top panel so that you're working your way down so you don't have things falling on top of you. And here it is. These screws are kind of slow to remove. We probably should have hooked up the electric screwdriver, but this worked fine. It just takes a little while. There are a lot of screws to remove. Make sure you keep them all in a container if you're going to maybe sell or donate your old garage door. So the next thing you're doing is just detaching where they're attached to your wall. And that includes over here. Okay, so our last step is just going to be to remove these support pieces of wood that were used for the garage door. I'm not doing it right now because we're moving on to another part of our project first, because we can do this when the door's finished. But these pieces aren't necessary and they can come off, and we will donate the spring or sell the spring along with the garage door if anyone wants it.